Number 1.
Hummingbirds have tongues that are grooved like the shape of a W and have tiny hairs on the tips of their tongues to help them lap up nectar similar to a cat.
Number 2.
Hummingbirds have no sense of smell, but can hear better than humans.
Number 3. Hummingbirds are attracted to all bright colors, although red is most prominently associated with these tiny birds. Number 4. Hummingbirds see in ultraviolet light and they can see further than a human. Number 5.
Hummingbirds have a great memory. They remember every flower and feeder they've been to, and how long it will take a flower to refill.
Number 6. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly like a helicopter, up, down, sideways, front, and back. Number 7.
Hummingbirds have weak feet. They mainly use them just for perching.
Number 8. A hummingbird's heart beats up to 1,260 times per minute. Number 9. A baby hummingbird is roughly the size of a penny and is unable to fly. Number 10.
The average lifespan of a hummingbird is 5 years, but they have been known to live for more than 10 years.
Bonus item.
Hummingbirds fly at an average of 25 to 30 miles per hour, and are able to dive up to 50 miles per hour.
I hope you enjoyed this information.
Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel in my free time, liking, commenting and sharing all my YouTube videos.
Thank you so very much.